Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss, the importance of unity for children. As parents and caregivers, it's crucial to understand how fostering unity can positively impact our children's lives. So, let's dive right in. Children are naturally curious and eager to explore the world around them. Their early experiences greatly influence their attitudes and behaviors as they grow. One of the most valuable lessons we can teach them is the significance of unity.
1. Strength in diversity. Unity doesn't mean we have to be the same. It's about celebrating our differences and working together towards common goals. Just like this diverse group of children, unity allows them to learn from one another, share experiences, and gain new perspectives. By embracing diversity and practicing inclusivity, children develop empathy and compassion, laying the foundation for a more harmonious future. 2. Building a supportive community. Creating a sense of unity among children is like building a supportive community. As they grow, they'll encounter challenges and successes. When they have a strong support system, they learn to handle obstacles with confidence and celebrate achievements with humility. In a unified environment, children gain the courage to explore their interests and talents, knowing they have friends who believe in them. 3. Nurturing lifelong friendships. Childhood friendships are precious, and unity plays a crucial role in nurturing these connections. When children feel a sense of belonging, they form deep and lasting friendships that can withstand the test of time. These friendships provide emotional support, boost self-esteem, and help children develop their social skills, making them more resilient as they navigate life's ups and downs. 4. Learning conflict resolution. Unity also teaches children how to handle conflicts constructively. Disagreements are a natural part of life, but through unity, children learn to communicate, compromise, and find solutions together. By understanding the value of teamwork, they'll be better equipped to navigate conflicts in a respectful and empathetic manner, promoting a culture of cooperation and understanding. Fostering unity among children is one of the most significant gifts we can give them. It empowers them to embrace diversity, build a supportive community, develop lifelong friendships, and learn vital conflict resolution skills. As parents and caregivers, let's lead by example and instill the importance of unity in our children's hearts. Together, we can create a world where compassion, understanding, and harmony thrive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content like this. See you next time. Bye-bye.